with Boxed. Here's a tutorial in the very beginning before we sign in. This is the first time I've used it, so I get a little tutorial. I'm going to add some clothing. I'm going to put it in the garage because it's winter storage box. I'm going to set a reminder for 3 months to take it out of storage. Nah, I don't need a reminder, but I'll add the box anyway. Add the contents. I can use speech to text. I can even take a photo of exactly where the box is located or what's in the box. I can even add contents or use speech to text to add the rest of them. Log it. There you go. The main dashboard, we can select a box to see its contents. We can create a new box. These icons tell us exactly what type of box it is, and all your boxes are listed. You can create a new box here, or if you don't feel like scrolling, you can create one there. And that's your Boxed app. Thanks for watching.